How to crop picture in any shapes in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the perfect and right process. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first let me show you how you can insert the image in Microsoft Word quickly. Just go to the insert here, go to the picture and just click on this device. Then you need to find out your picture in your computer or device. Now select the image which you want to insert in Microsoft Word and just go to the insert. Then you can click on this option, which is layout option. You can see the options within this. So you can click on in front of text or back of the text. I just select the front of the text, and now you can able to move this image within the page. So now just select again the picture and go to the picture format options. Now you can see the option called crop here. So if you want to simple crop, just click on crop, select the first option. Now you can able to see this line, black dark line, which you need to just select on it. Just drag the size up or down. You can minimize this is how you can crop the image, and just click the OK. You can hit any side outside anywhere, then it will be cropped. If you want to crop in shapes, like here you can lots of shape like rectangles, basic shape like circle, this one, and this love shapes, heart shapes. Okay, there are arrow shapes and equation shapes. There is lots of shape you can see, and just select the any shape. Like if you want to see on this one, just click on this. The image will be cropped in these shapes. Okay, you can use any shape which available here, and you can able to crop it. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.